Hi, today we will practice English conversation dialogues for beginners. Here's an example conversation that might occur in a day-to-day situation.
Hello, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome to the neighborhood. My name is Alex.
Thank you, Alex. I'm Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam. Do you like it here so far?
Yes, it's a nice place. People are friendly.
That's great to hear. If you need any help, feel free to ask.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Now we will practice dialogues at a coffee shop.
Could I have a coffee, please?
Sure, would you like it black or with milk?
With milk, please.
Here you go. That's $3.
Here's the money. Thank you.
Now we will practice dialogues about asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the library?
Yes, go straight. Then take the second left. It's on your right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Now we will practice dialogues about making a friend.
Hi, I'm Jane. I'm new here.
Hello, Jane. I'm Lisa. Welcome.
Thanks. Lisa, do you live around here?
Yes, just a few blocks away. What about you?
I just moved into the apartment near the park.
Now we will practice dialogues at the grocery store.
Excuse me, where are the apples?
They're in aisle 5, next to the oranges.
Thank you. And where's the bread?
Aisle 3, on the left.
All right, thank you.
Now we will practice dialogues. Talking about the weather.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it's very sunny and warm.
Do you think it will rain later?
I don't think so. The weather forecast said it will be clear all day.